Okay, another nice complex fraction here that they want us to simplify. So we've got fractions within fractions. That's what makes it complex. And the first thing we're going to do is get rid of the complex part and then try to simplify if possible. To do that, we look at all the denominators. We have a t, a 3, another t, and an 8. So the common denominator would be t for sure. And then for 3 and 8, you do that just like you would in arithmetic. It would be 24. So 24t would be the common denominator. We're going to multiply the top and the bottom of this fraction by 24t, but it gets distributed on top. So 24t, notice I'm writing it as 24t over 1. It just makes the work look a little bit better. Notice all the white space I put in also. 24t over 1, 24t over 1, 24t over 1. That looks beautiful. Next step, let's see what we'll divide out here. So for the first term on the top, the t's go, and we're left with 24. Let's write that down right now. On the second term on top, let's see, 3 goes into 24 8 times. So I'm left with 7 times 8 is 56. And then I still have a t there. Okay. On the bottom, I've got a t that divides out. So there I've got 24. And let's see, on the right hand side on the bottom, I've got 8 that goes into 24 3 times. So there I'm left with 27t. The only thing left to do is to try to see if this reduces at all. And again, I'm going to put parentheses around here. These are glued together. I can't just cross out t's or cross out 24s. The best I could do is to try to factor the top and the bottom. Let's see, 56 and 24 have an 8 in common. So if I were to take out an 8, I'd be left with 3 plus 7 times 8 is 56. So 3 plus 7t. On the bottom, what? Take out a 3. And I'm left with 8 plus 3 times 9 is 27t. Boy, it doesn't look like it reduces any further. If it did, you know, if 8 and 3 had something in common, for example, if it were 9 and 3, then I could reduce that. Or if these two binomials were the same, I could cross them out. But that's it. This is all the further this reduces. Again, we should be able to type it in factored form or in its original form here multiplied out. Either one will work. So I'll do 24 plus 56t. You should be able to turn those around too if you want to. 24 plus 27t. Notice the instructions say do not leave either box blank. So if the denominator or numerator happens to be 1, you would put the 1 in. It also says make sure the coefficient on the x is positive, or in this case the coefficient on the t, I think they mean, that's the variable. Well, here we've got a positive 56 and here a positive 27. If those were negative, you would just multiply you'd multiply through by -1 to make them positive. Okay. Multiply top and bottom by -1. So I think we're set.